Hey y'all, today I'll be doing a versus test between the Sanitaire and the Hoover WindTunnel self-propelled. And I will be using the shakeout bag on my Sanitaire. So yeah, I will be using sand as usual. And I still have some left. Yeah, it's sand with some gravel mix. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. So yeah, enough flapping my gums. I will spread the sand and we'll get with it. Oh, and I will be doing two passes. One forward and the second one is backwards. I already have the Sanitaire plugged up, so that's good to go. I'll just have to plug in the Hoover. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to set it to 2. I will set the embedded dirt ponder on regular since, well, it's pretty obvious the other one doesn't have it, so. Now for the Sanitaire. What the fuck? if it'll run like normal. What the fuck is that smell? Better not be the built again. Nope. Oh, I see. Well, the belt is slipping, so yeah, I would have to have it on either 4 to not make it slip as much. But there you have it. I would say it was pretty much a tie. I don't know about y'all. So comment, rate, subscribe. I think that's it. If you'd like to see one of my vacuums against another, just comment or private message me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.